Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to check whether the given string is a palindrome or not. Okay, fine. Let's start by importing the package import java.util.start class main. So the execution of the program always start from the main method public static void main string args. Fine. I have to create an object for the scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Okay. I have to get the input value from the user. String str equal to sc dot next line. Okay, let's assume the input is AA, BB, AA. This is the input value. So to check whether the given string is a palindrome, I don't want to reverse the string. So let's take the string as this, that is A, B, B, A. Okay, I'll take the index value, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's take the string as str. Okay, now I'll take a for loop for int I is equal to 0, j equal to str dot length minus 1, because I'm going to compare first character and the last character. Okay, and iteration will be happening till half of the character, because we are using two pointer. I value will be incremented, j value will be decremented. At one point will come to the center, so I want to iterate only half of the string. So I'll give the condition as I less than half of the string. So I'll give str dot length divided by 2. I value will be incremented and j value will be decremented. So here first what I'm going to do is I value 0, j value length minus 1. I value is 0, j value is 6 minus 1, which is 5. So I is pointing to the index value 0, j is pointing to the index value called 5. Now I'll compare these two characters. If these two characters are equal, then there is a possibility of being a palindrome. If these two are not equal, directly I can say that it is not a palindrome. In this case, I'll check if str dot caret of I is not equal to str dot caret of j. In case if both are not equal, what is the actual meaning? It is not a palindrome. It is not a palindrome. So I'll just print a message saying that system.out.println not a palindrome. In case if you want to return something, okay, yes or no something, if you want to return, you can take a flag variable, boolean value. So I can take boolean flag is equal to, initially I'm considering it as 1, saying that it is a palindrome. So I'll give flag value as 0, saying that it is not a palindrome. Then I'll break. Initially I'm considering the given string is a palindrome. In case if the characters are not equal, I'll give flag value as 0 and then I'll say that it is not a palindrome. But in this case, it is equal. If it is equal, what should I do? I will not go inside the if condition. I value will be incremented and j value will be decremented. Okay. So here I value is incremented by 1, j value is decremented by 1. Now check the condition. I value is 1. 1 less than 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1 less than 3, yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, I'll go inside the for loop. I'll check the characters. So character of I and character of j. So the character is a and a. Both are equal. If both are equal, I will not go inside the if condition. I value incremented, j value decremented. I value incremented, j value decremented. So I value is incremented by 1, j value is decremented by 1. Check the condition. I value is 2. This is condition is 3. 2 less than 3. Yes, of course, condition is true. I'll go here. I'll check characters present at both the index value are not equal. Actually, it is equal. If it is equal, what should I do? I will not go inside this if condition. I'll increment my I value. I'll decrement my j value. I value is incremented by 1, which becomes 3. J value is decremented by 1, which becomes 2. Check the condition. 3 less than 3, condition is false. I'll come out of the for loop. After coming out of the for loop, I'll check if flag is equal to 1, it is a palindrome. System.out.println Yes, I'll say that it is a palindrome. Okay, it is boolean, right? I should not give 1, I should give true or false. That is why I have got an error. If flag, if it is true, I'll print yes, else I'll print no. That's all. This is the logic of palindrome. In case if the characters are not equal, let me give like this. Let me give the string as like this. I'll give A, here I'll give C. Okay. So I'll compare first two characters. A, both are equal. I'll go inside the for loop. I value will be incremented and J value will be decremented. I'll compare these two characters A and C. It is not equal. If it is not equal, I'll go inside the if condition. I'll make my flag value as false and break the loop. When I give break the loop, I'll come out of this for loop. So if false, I'll go to else saying that it is not a palindrome. Let me save this code and let me run the code. I'll give the input value as madam. See, it is saying that yes, it is a palindrome. And if I give the input value as hello, saying that it is not a palindrome. That's all.